are here at Eagle Mountain where the movie, the final scene of Tenet was filmed. The owners were nice enough to let us come on the property, and Jet and Miguel, as you've seen, got the whole loadout for the Tenet film. And so the owners have been nice enough to show us around and then let us do some filming here. So welcome to behind the scenes of Jet and Miguel's little Tenet movie, I guess.
This whole film operation is your idea. You just don't know it yet.
Very practical outfits.
These are fucking kick-ass outfits. These are clear.
Okay, so it is February here in Southern California. It is not that hot. It's like 75 degrees right now. I don't know when they filmed.
It's like 60 right now.
It feels 70 in this helmet, but I could not imagine filming this thing in the filming with all this in the summertime out here in Desert Center.
Because it's hot.
Yeah,
You're already really hot.
I'm already winded from just the little shoot that we've done. But it looks so good though.
Like a perfect Miguel.
Okay, take camera photo.
Oh, camera photo. And so Jet and Miguel are doing Tenet cosplays. It's like, who is this?
Oh my God, that's awesome. You're not gonna board that out there.
No. We're gonna go take a photo.
Promise you'll let me buy one.
Yeah.
Say it now.
Yeah.
Jet? Okay.
Yeah.
You guys sweating like a motherfucker?
Oh, is that Jet in there?
Yeah.
Okay, I should have known it was Jet.
It's tough being a movie star, huh, guys?
Dude, the breeze felt so better with the Chinooks landing, but they're gone now. So.
Now we gotta walk back all the way to, I don't even know, I'm too tired. Let's go.
Just from walking.
Oh, so we talked to Bo, and Bo talked to the owners, and apparently when they were filming Tenet, there were 2,000 people living out here. So production crew, extras,
Whoa.
for like a month.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's wild.
Yeah.
This is a good time for us to film during game time just because it's just much easier to film where there's already airsoft happening. If we're far away enough from it all, then we don't have to worry about interfering with the game. H-O-T-T-O-G-O, you can take me hard to go. Great. Here we go, following the Tenet boys into the war. Whoa. Can you tell I am not playing? I hope so.
Oh God.
Whoa, so cool, guys, so cool.
Yeah. Oh no.
What?
Oh, RIP.
This lizard, look at him.
Oh no.
He's been dead for a while though.
Oh, good that I smashed him.
Poor lizard. I'm just waiting for you to fall.
It's so hard walking back.
Yeah. Your commitment is inspiring.
It's okay, I'll get him on the next pass.
So you're out of frame there, but I can see your shadow. You're in frame barely. Okay. You're in frame, in frame, in frame, in frame, in frame, in frame, out of frame. You're both on the edge of the frame right now, but you're in frame. Still in frame. Still in frame. Nope. I can see your gun. Now you're out. Okay, recording. I don't think you'll be able to see BBs. I saw. I was like, whoopsie. Oh, I got you? Sorry. I'm just too good. I can't help it. I was! I can't, like, you can't see the BBs because all the rocks. It's so hard. One cool thing about this, they said that everyone was here. They were filming here for almost an entire year that they were out here. So in the hottest of elements, I mean, it gets to be, she said it was 109 degrees here in October, which is like, ugh. Can you imagine wearing all that full kit, gas mask and everything and running around in 109 degree weather? I don't think I would want to do it. So actors are tougher than you think, I guess. Seems like it. Oh. Get the shot! Get the shot!
Leah's in the shot.
No, I'm not! I can't be in the shot, I'm too far!
Oh, it's a wide lens. Way better. Way better.
Looks like they're kissing. So all this was built just for the film?
Yep.
Man, this whole freaking building. That's wild. And blown up.
Yeah. I mean, that yellow building that we, or is it this one? One of these was like a 4-story building. They were like, okay, we built it, now we're gonna blow it up.
How fun.
He said it took 2 to 4 months to build everything, and 20 minutes to blow it all up.
20, yeah, wild. You're both in frame right now. Okay. Recording. Whoa, so cool, so cool.
Not fun to run with. Square. They had to do it right here because the car drives through here, I think. And then look at, oh, right there. There's a tunnel. It's probably over here.
It's a little bit of a tunnel up there. Just following the boys around while they LARP air sport. I love it.
Leah, could you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Whoever was sitting on the floor, did I leave the hose there? Am I not?
You did.
I did?
Yeah, I saw
Okay.
it.
Start with the non-inverted. I'll shoot the rocket launcher.
Okay. I guess I'll be the fucking moon star, right?
And then,
Ah, okay. We got it, boys.
I just checked the weather. It's 76 degrees.
I don't wanna.
Are you dying? It looks hot as fuck.
It is. It is hot.
Being an actor,
It's tough.
is
Tough
it tougher
business.
than being an airsofter?
It's almost about the same, you know, honestly, in my opinion. However, when we go inverted, it's not going to be as hot. It'll be cold.
Okay, we need you to help frame this, Leah. It should already be framed, but it'll need some minor adjustments.
Yep, just let me know what you need, what you want, what you're looking for in the shot.
watch this be one of those videos that we work all this time on and don't get any views.
Yeah, and does really terribly.
Yeah.
That's usually how it goes.
That's okay.
Your helmet's a little crooked. Pull back on. It's off to here. I'll fix it.
Ready?
Where am I in here? So that's your right.
Huh?
Am I going to be to your left?
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Just kind of stay close. Okay. Ready? Okay, let's do it one more time. I think I'm looking at the camera too much. Okay, we are very winded.
We did it. We failed the. Just stop it.
Can you see?
No, but let me know when it's in.